Hi, Mark here, trust you're well. For well over a decade now, I've been helping other photographers understand the ecosystem of Lightroom, Lightroom Classic, sprinkled with Photoshop, other post-processing apps as a photographer. Well, what's coming up in our live sessions? So for Monday, the 22nd of June, that's our skills and support community. We're going to be looking at Lightroom Classic using Nik Silver effects. So how we can go outside of Classic, do our black and white stylization in Nik Silver effects, returning back to Classic. Then for Tuesday the 23rd of June, that's our Lightroom Classic skills session. I'm going to show you from my experience the best way to find your missing images. I'm going to show you a catalogue functionality and the skills and tools that are available to find those missing images that are in your catalogue that have been disconnected. For Wednesday the 24th of June, it's our editing session, and we look at different applications for editing images outside of Lightroom Classic and Lightroom. Well, this week we're continuing on the narrative of Photoshop with more tools for photographers. And then Thursday the 25th of June, it's what's new in Lightroom on our iPhone and iPad version 11.4, which was released a few days ago. I hope you'd like to join us. Just visit lightroommark.co.uk/events. You'll see all our upcoming events by narrative, date, time, and you'll be able to register online there. If you need support, you can either book a one-to-one support session by clicking on support on our website, lightroommark.com, or you can come to our Monday session. After our skills part, which is the first hour, let's say, the floor is open to your challenges. What do you want to discuss in Lightroom and Lightroom Classic? Happy editing!